This is a charging cable. Did you know that? What about this? This is a charger. Charger. Do you know this? This is a phone. Phone. It's a telephone. And what about these? These are telephones. Telephones or phones. Would you like to learn more English vocabulary words about telephone with the meaning in Haitian Creole? I think so. So, watch this video till the end because I'm gonna teach you vocabulary words about telephone and phrases. Let's go. So, when you're talking about charger, I'm talking about this. This is charger in English. This is pronounced as charger.
My charger.
You know, ça prononce comme charger. You say charger. This is a charger. All right, good. Everybody knows charger means in Haitian Creole, charge. Charge is charger. Next thing we're gonna learn is this. This is called fil charge, or in Haitian Creole, young people usually say cab. Okay, cab telephone, okay. They say cab telephone or fil charge. In English, that is said charging cable.
Charging cables.
Where is the charging cable? Kote cab charge mna. Where is the charging cable? The charging cable. And when talking about these, where you can plug the telephone or hook the telephone up, I use a verb. I use the verb to hook. Hook. You are learning. To hook or to plug. To plug a phone or to hook a phone. Good. So you can use the prise. Prise in Haitian Creole, but in English, that is said outlet or power outlet.
Power outlet.
Power outlet. Outlet or power outlet. Could you repeat after me? Power outlet. Please hook the phone up in the power outlet or plug the phone in the power outlet. S'il vous plaît, pluguez téléphone dans la prise là. And next thing is battery. Battery.
Battery.
The battery of your phone. Okay, you can say the battery is full or the battery is low. Les batteries téléphone ou plein charge ou dit the battery is full. Les batteries téléphone ou pas assez charge ou dit the battery is low. Good. And something else people usually use in Haitian Creole, they just say it backup. Backup, okay? If you are someone who understands English, when they say backup, you think about something else. But backup is power bank.
Power banks.
Power bank. Power bank, c'est ça que nous les backup la kay nou dans créole côté pour charger téléphone. Do you have a power bank? Est-ce que vous avez un backup charger? Okay? Backup charger. Okay? Backup charger or backup battery. Yeah, anyway, charger or battery. Okay. Or battery pour charger téléphone nou. Next thing is adapter.
Adapter.
Or plug.
Plug.
Adapter. C'est adapter. This thing, this part, you can put in the telephone or plug in the telephone just to charge your telephone. You say that adapter or plug in English. And the next thing is extension cord.
Extension cord.
Extension with S, not with T. Extension or extension cord. That's what we call in Haitian Creole allonge. Where is the extension cord? Kote allonge moya. This is a long cable that you can use if you want to use power. Okay, so extension cord. And next is USB port. USB port is this part of the telephone where you can charge the telephone or transfer something from a computer to the telephone or from the telephone to the computer. Good. And after we have screen.
Screen.
Screen, this is the touchable part of the telephone, something you can see, okay? You can see inside of the telephone, yeah. And you can touch the setting of the telephone, all the parts of the telephone, the entire part of the telephone. And after that, we have headphone jack.
Headphone jack.
Headphone jack, that is, for example, if you have an earphone or a headset, you can jack it into it so that you can listen to the sound. That's the main function of it. C'est fonction principale de ça. C'est pour entendre musique, yo utilise. Yo utilise ça. Headphone jack, c'est tout casse écouter ou jacker là. Good. Headphone jack. And next thing we have front camera and back camera. Front camera is the camera in front of the phone Okay, in front of you, for example, here, there's a camera here. That's the front camera. And the back camera is those cameras. Okay, back camera. Front camera, back camera. Caméra devant, caméra derrière. Good. Charger, c'est charger. Charging cable, c'est câble ou bien fil chargé. Outlet or power outlet is prise. And battery, c'est batterie téléphone. Power bank, c'est backup ou bien chargé ou bien batterie. Adapter or plug, c'est adapter. C'est ça qui a adapté dans des téléphones. Extension cord, c'est allonge. USB port, c'est port USB. Screen, c'est ça qui est l'écran téléphone. And we have headphone jack, c'est tout côté pour jack et casse là. Front camera, c'est caméra devant. Back camera, c'est caméra derrière. So now, let's learn phrases. Some important phrases sometimes you'd like to say, but you don't know how to say them in English. You know them in your mother tongue, which is Haitian Creole. So now, let's learn some with me. For example, if you'd like to say, téléphone mwen pa vle charger. You'd like to say, téléphone mwen pa vle charger. You don't know how to say that in English. You can say, my phone won't charge. My phone won't charge. My phone won't charge. You know, my phone won't charge. Téléphone mwen pa vle charger. That's the way to say that. And another sentence, for example, if you say, Kab sa pa bon, kab sa pa mache. Hey Daniel, kab sa pa bon, I need another one. Kab sa pa bon, I pa mache. Mwen vle yon lot. You say, this cable doesn't work when you want to say, kab sa pa bon. The charging cable isn't good. If you want to say that, the charging cable is not good. Or the charging cable doesn't work. The charging cable doesn't work, or this charging cable doesn't work if you're talking about a specific cable. So, parler d'un câble spécifique. This cable doesn't work. Câble ça pas marché. Câble ça pas bon. And if you want to say, téléphone mwen pa kembe charge. This is a common sentence. People like saying that. Téléphone mwen pa kembe charge petit. How do you say that in English? You say, my phone won't hold a charge. My phone won't hold a charge. My phone won't hold a charge. That's the way to say, téléphone mwen pa kembe charge. And now if you want to say, téléphone mwen mouillé, fell down in water. You say, my phone got wet. It fell down in water. Il était tombé dans l'eau. My phone got wet. Téléphone ou mouillé. You know, man, yesterday I was on foot and it was raining heavily and my phone got wet. That's the reason why you couldn't find me. You couldn't reach me yesterday. My phone got wet, man. Oh, it was a good phone, the phone I love. You say, my phone got wet. Téléphone mwen mouillé. Okay, now, if you want to say téléphone mwen pral feme, you say, my phone is about to die. Your phone is about to die. Just buy a charger. Your phone is about to die. And the last sentence is, kap téléphone nan gate. How? Kap téléphone nan gate is useless. I pa ka utile encore. You say, the cable is torn. That means li chire, li kase, or ripped. D'accord? Le kap téléphone ou kase, ou bien chire, ou dit, the cable is torn, or the cable is ripped. Ripped. M'a dit rip, parce que c'est pas air français. Tu vois? C'est pas air français. Je ne suis pas en France. Je suis aux États-Unis. We say ripped. That's okay. Good. Can you say all these sentences on the board? Est-ce qu'on a dit toute phrase qui sous tableau? Okay. M'bral kolo. Comment pour me dire téléphone moi pas vle charger? Comment on allait. Ou même on allait. Pour on allait. My phone won't charge. Oh, bravo. What about you? Ou même k'ap gade misia là. Comment pour me dire kab téléphone mwen pa bon li gâté ou bien li pa marché. OK, ou pa kon sa li gen men pa marché. Ou di, pa avon mieux, come on. On allez. Ou di, this cable, yeah, doesn't. So I dit doesn't. J'aime dire là, di doesn't lan toujours en attendant pa amélioré. Pa kaze ko pitam. Ça veut dire que di pitam moun yo gen moun passe mwe ap di pitam. Okay, good. Doesn't work. This cable doesn't work. Parce que m'gan pile maman, pile papa k'ap gade m'la. Moun sa apprécier mon pile. Parce que m'patient avec yo. This cable doesn't work. It's okay. Kounya, comment pour me dire téléphone moi pas kembe charge? That's the common sentence. Ça très courant. Ou dit, my phone won't hold a charge. Yeah. My phone won't hold a charge. My phone won't hold a charge. Fais répétition jusqu'à ce qu'on à l'aise. Kounya, qui est là? Qui est qui voulait là? Ou même, on allez. Téléphone moi mouillé. Comment on dit ça? Ça facile. Ah, facile, Jacques. Ah ouais, facile. On allez. My phone got wet. Wet. My phone got wet. Okay. Kounya, qui est m'a prend là? On regarde moi qui est qui là? On allez qui chita de téléphone là là. On allez ou même. My phone is about. On dit liaison là. Azaba. Ouais, on te connaît faire liaison en français bien. Azaba. My phone is about to die. My phone is about to die. Dernière phrase là. Cap téléphone moi gâté. On dit ça en anglais? The cable is torn. The cable is torn. Or the cable is ripped. The cable is ripped. Good job. I like you. I appreciate you. Yeah, bon bagay. So guys, m'espère que t'es appris dans leçon ça, m'aller slow, m'utiliser des méthodes que t'en enseigner moi, là t'as pas apprendre enseigner. Et penser méthode ça yo marché pour tout type de monde, même gens qu'on enseigne petit monde, même gens moi enseigne monde qui âgé tout. Donc c'est des méthodes qui permettent qui encourager mon yo surtout fatigué, me connaît ça. Fais me connaître dans commentaire, mais pas jamais oublier pour like vidéo ça, pour partager avec vos amis, pour commenter, si pas quoi abonner, faire ça. Connais parce que c'est puis bon côté pour apprendre langue. Pas fait tête chaud. Ici, on va apprendre très bien, on va bien prononcer. Moi, sensible pour ça. Et moi, utiliser des méthodes qui simples, qui permettent qu'on apprenne. Très encourageant. Non pas, c'est Daniel, sous fait quoi, abonner. Et puis, quitter un commentaire pour moi. Déjà, souhaite bienvenue dans la famille. Parce que c'est son famille que nous y est. N'a pas croisé dans l'autre leçon, d'accord? Ciao.